Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla XLE. This is a 7-passenger minivan in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find on this Sienna includes a power liftgate as well as automatic power sliding doors. We also got your classic features like a power sunroof, proximity smart key system, and roof rails. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our automatic power sliding doors and our power liftgate buttons, which we will get to in just a moment. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. If you look in the mirror, you can see the Sienna does have heated mirrors and a blind spot monitoring system. On top, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. On the bottom, we have some storage space that runs along the entire side. Next to the door, you will find your park assist, and you can also open this up, giving you some nice little storage space. This Sienna is equipped with all-weather mats and beige leather seating. On the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. This Sienna is a push to start, so just push that brake in and press the engine start button right next to the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Now you have these arrows here, and this will help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster, which will allow you to navigate through your multi-information display. On the bottom here, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on the home screen. Here on the left side, it displays on the audio that's playing on any device that's connected, and on the right side you have your navigation map, which you can also press, and that map will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we press audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. You can also go into reverse, and this Sienna gives you a nice backup camera as well. Down below is your climate control system. It is a tri-zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well. And you also have this dial here for those rear passengers. Down below that, we can press this button, and you got two cup holders that pop out for you. And this is where you'll also find your driver and passenger heated seats, 12-volt outlet, your USB, and auxiliary. We got a nice little shelf here. On the bottom, we have some storage space. We have two cup holders up top here, and we can also press this button, opening up that center console that provides plenty of room. To open up the back, it's as easy as pressing that left button on our key fob, and that power sliding door will open up for us nice and easy. Of course, we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the beige leather seating. If we look behind the front passenger and driver's seats, we do have some extra storage space. We can pull this centerpiece down, giving you access to two cup holders. And we can also fold these seats down and slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a power liftgate, so just hold that bottom button on the key fob, and that power liftgate opens up for us nice and easy. Moving inside here, you can see with the third row seating, you still have plenty of cargo space on the left and behind the seats. We can't fold those seats down. All we got to do is just hold these handles, and the seats go right in the slots on the bottom here, giving you plenty of storage space. And of course, like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold and slide as well. That'll give you that extra bit of room. We have storage compartments on the left as well as cup holders on both sides. And it's as easy as pressing the button up top to close that power liftgate. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your tri-zone climate control system, backup camera, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.